Well, news just coming in. BJP's President Amit Shah will be visiting Mumbai on the 17th of September. According to sources, concrete talks on the Sena-BJP alliance is on the cards. Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey is now joining me live from the national capital. Former Brijesh, that visit of Amit Shah, which according to you is scheduled for the 17th of September to Mumbai, is going to be very crucial for the BJP Shiv Sena alliance going forward.
Well, yes, and this is the reason why, Amit Shah is going there, because a lot of talk has happened and a lot many editorial has been written. We're virtually putting the alliance at risk, which is the oldest alliance in the history of BJP Shiv Sena. And, the people, various people from both sides have made statements which has put the whole alliance in jeopardy and thereby, kind of diminishing the chances of a victory, of a whooping victory, which they are actually looking forward to. And to make sure that there is no more statement from people authorized and to cement what exactly would be the new sheet sharing arrangement, Amit Shah will be going to Mumbai on 17th. There are a couple of other engagements on his itinerary as well, but this will be the foremost. And once they will finalize the sheet sharing agreement, they are saying, because the sources are also saying that the time is also not that much. The time is also less, and they will have to give the whole list of people who are going to fight on the BJP ticket, and that is the reason why this 17th visit will take place.
Well, also, Brijesh, given the fact that there is, in fact, the Shiv Sena and the BJP locking horns over the seat-sharing number, Shiv Sena demanding 150 plus seats, the BJP unwilling to give more than 135, and to add to that, Uddhav Thackeray making his chief ministerial ambitions very clear. How is the BJP strategizing to tackle this?
Well, BJP has made it very clear to the Shiv Sena that, given the current political scenario and the fact that BJP has performed exceptionally well both in centre as well as in a couple of states, they are saying that they are in no mood whatsoever to give more than what is due of the alliance partner. This was witnessed in Haryana when the party parted ways with Haryana Janat Congress, and with Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, they have made it very clear to them that their scoring percentage of BJP is more, and the fact is that there is a nationwide Narendra Modi rule, which will make sure that the resultant the conversion ratio from seat to actually winning the assembly seat.
As Amit Shah in fact heads to Mumbai on the 17th of September, remains to be seen how that deadlock between the Shiv Sena and the BJP, an alliance that's lasted 25 years, actually goes for. Thanks, Brijesh, for joining us with that update.